Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to be doing a Mercedes SLK door speaker grill replacement. Somebody got in the car, maybe they had on high heels, maybe they had on, I don't know, some kind of shoe with us. Pointy front, kicked a hole in that speaker grill, and nothing looks worse than a broken piece in your car. So I'm going to show you how to change that out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the video.
So this is the new replacement speaker grill cover, brand new. It's made from plastic, and also when you're looking at the rear of it, you'll see 4 nipples with 4 copper grommets that will hold the speaker grill in place.
Alright, I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver, and of course the part that I'm going to be replacing. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a nice little notch right here, see that? Put your screwdriver in here and you work it all the way around and just pop this door out. Alright, so this is the speaker cover grill, and for illustrative purposes, because you can't really see what's behind the door, what you're going to do is, once you pop that door panel off, right, you're going to essentially reach in between the door panel and the speaker cover grill, and you're going to find these little grommets, and you can't pull them off easily. The best way to take them off is to just turn them counterclockwise like that. So pop the panel out, take them off. It's 4 of them. Just take them off by turning them counterclockwise. Once it's off, you can then remove the old panel, putting on the new panel and putting these back in. You can turn them clockwise, and then once they're in position, put your thumb over the back of it like that and squeeze them on. Okay, just like that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take these off, the replacement, and they come off by screwing them off. Alright, so old panel is off, new panel needs to go on. New panel has retaining clips. Each one goes onto the nipple. The nipple goes behind the retaining, like a cardboard covered leather. This is how it's gonna go in. Just like that, okay? I'm gonna take this clip and I'm gonna come behind here. Come, see my finger? And I'm gonna just put it in position. And I'm gonna squeeze it on there. And I'm gonna squeeze the other one on. I'm gonna come up top and I'm gonna squeeze the other one in like that. And I'm gonna squeeze all the other ones. So those are in place. Then I'm gonna pop these clips back in. See that clip right there? I'm gonna line it up to that hole. Once it's lined up, because you don't want to bend them and break them. See that one right there? Don't force them into position until they're lined up. And that's it, guys. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.